Future me here, guys. Just finished the video putting it together, but just wanted to give a little heads up. Today we went out, vibes were good, trying to get everything, and it felt good out there, but man, was it a hot one, a sweaty one. So bear with me a little bit. Definitely not the most polished video, but we were still out there today, just trying to get prices for you guys and give you a little bit of glimpse of the other side of the embroidery business. We're not always in here, we're always out there, even for the smallest things. Sometimes honestly not fully about the big payout, but for the stuff that we're getting today, it is for a repeat customer, really good one that we do go out of our way. Again, even if it's not like huge profit, definitely worth it. Yeah, because I mean, we've dealt with a few not so great customers, so we just appreciate, cherish the good ones. So yeah, every time we'll go out there, get the stuff we need, and make things right. So if throughout the video you see the struggle, go ahead, drop the like and sub. Yeah, and that'll let us know it was a little bit worth it being out there today. Anyways, enjoy. It's Tuesday, everybody, so you know what that means. We're at the swap meet. I'll show you if I do find anything cool. Possibly looking for a camera strap, like a across the body strap for my camera, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm pretty much just gonna be showing you guys what I spent today, because I'm getting prints, picking up a comfort color shirt, 2 shirts from Carson AS Color, and then I think we are gonna end up going to Walmart today to get some materials, some canvas or something, so hopefully it ends up happening today. Now, we're not making a ton of money from this, but I'll at least get prints for myself and some leftover material, hopefully. Got the towels.
Oh yeah, these are just towels.
They're the ones that I did the short on. $1 for 10. Is it for 10?
Yeah.
I forgot we're also getting a hat from Vision Stitch, but first DTF right up there. You guys already know, Maine and Pico.
I don't know, but I'll do it.
Got our $15 print. Sometimes it's annoying here because when you're at the bottom down there, you have to call them so they give you the code, since it's on the 2nd floor, but we snuck in this time. Check it. We got those flowers again, and then I threw in some TK Stitch embroidery on there. Gonna throw them on some shirts, probably some t-shirts. And then at least for these prints from this place, these are the instructions: 338 Fahrenheit, 15 seconds, and then press it again. All right, now we just need one trucker hat for Vision. Pink, pink, pink.
Now tell us what happened.
Oh. They didn't have the only one that we needed. They didn't have it, so. That always happens, like the one thing that we need, back order. And now we just come over here to our homies at One Stop Warehouse. T-shirt for just one comfort colors, white. I think they go for, wait, did I say? Okay, 15 bucks here. The hat would have been 7. Right here, what are they? 7?
The
9?
shirts? 9.
And 9, I think, right here. We'll double check.
What that sheet for, bro?
15.
Where at? Yeah, I was
There's-
gonna tell,
yeah.
I was gonna tell you go there.
They're
but
good.
it was already-
Yeah, yeah.
I got some.
They
Hey,
press
what?
it. They press it for you for $1.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. He was saying that they also press up there. If you bring your shirt, they'll just press your stuff for $1. So even if you don't have a heat press, you buy your $15 roll and they'll press it right there for you. Pretty good.
Oh.
So let's say you at home don't have any equipment. All you need is to send in your file. Like I said, 15 bucks. You come to any of these places, $9 for this shirt. You go back over there, you pick it up, and then they'll press it for you on the spot, either to list online or if you're doing an order for somebody. No equipment.
Walk a little slower. I got little legs.
I am walking. Okay, next stop, next stop is the AS Color warehouse in the city of Carson. Just for 2 shirts, 26-minute drive, not too bad. We're on the 110 right now, so we'll get there in a little bit. All right, let's get this shirt real quick. There it is, everybody. Didn't want to record too much. Got people working in there and stuff. Don't want to bother them. But little two shirts right here. See, my camera person over here is awake. Okay, V-necks from AS Color. You guys have seen them in previous videos, but let's talk about the price. Real nice shirts, dark black, 2XLs. So these go for $6.20. I paid $12.40, no sales tax, and then I put all the exempt information, and obviously no shipping because we picked up from here, so not bad. And now to Walmart. We finally have made it to Walmart. I've been trying to come here for like a whole week, but pretty much what we're looking for is something that we could embroider this same logo. These people are trying to get like, they're trying to hang it off their table. They're gonna be vendors somewhere, and they just want to hang out their embroidered logo off the side of a table, 2 feet tall and then 2 feet wide. 2 feet wide doesn't really matter because their design is really thin, but pretty much I need something, a thick material that I could embroider that is not gonna get all scrunched up and that is gonna hold up. So I was thinking a canvas, black canvas. It has to be black, or I don't know, we'll see. Black leather even, maybe. Probably not, but we'll see what they got. We got some of this, but it's just poly cotton, too soft. Random stuff over here. What have you found over here?
This?
Interesting.
What about like
On the other side?
On the other side?
Oh yeah.
It's not that bad. Oh look, there's a canvas.
It is. Oh, this?
It was like $6.
It's not bad. It's almost like patch to it or something.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I like it. Finally, we got it. I found some good stuff. I'm really looking forward to using this. Yeah, I'll give you guys all the details of the material and all that when we get home, because it feels really good, and it was a lot of other stuff. So it was like folded in half, and then he cut the yard. So a lot of it for $6.30. Not bad. But it's time to go home because it's 1 p.m. and we haven't had any food or any lunch, and she's hungry. Okay, we're back home. Now let's talk about this stuff. Here it is. Here's how much I got. There's a shiny side. It has a shiny side, and then it has the matte, rough side to it. This is what I'm going to be embroidering on, this side right here. I found this specific fabric online on their website pretty much. It's called Pro Tough Outdoor Fabric. Heavy duty, water resistant canvas made by Shason Textile, featuring a polyester face and a PVC back. Yeah, so the rough side is 100% polyester, and then the back 100% PVC backing. The weight is 330 GSM, and it says common uses: tents and tarps, backpacks, luggage bags, outdoor furniture and balcony upholstery, pillow covers, and canopy covers. Altogether, today we ended up paying $42.70. Not a crazy amount. Also, the profit wasn't huge. The shirts, I think I've been giving it to him for 18. So with those two, that's 36. Now this big project that I'm leaving it for next video, here's a little sneak peek. Boom, boom. Don't see too much. That one, I thought it was gonna be, I thought I was just gonna charge him maybe like 15-20 bucks, but after today, the work that I put into it, I don't know. I still don't know. I literally don't know. In the next video though, you'll see why it did take up a good amount of work. I found a white piece of fabric. I put some heat and bond on it. I appliqued it to the fabric, ironed it, all of that, because since it's black, I wanted the white and the yellow to like really pop. And if I didn't have like a white base, then it would have been see-through a little bit, and it just wouldn't have looked as clean. Oh, and by the way, that was actually a comment in like one of my videos way back in the day. Somebody mentioned that I was doing like a video on a patch, about a patch or something, and somebody gave me that tip. It came back today. I'm like, that's like, right now is the perfect time to do that. So sub to the channel, because that's gonna be a good one for the next one. I appreciate you all for watching. You guys have a good one. Good morning, good evening, good night. Till Till next time, deuces.